drip. I fell in love with a lit bitch. Ayy, crip shit. Ayy, she wanna suck on the lit dick. Ayy, ayy, ayy. Bow. They loving the style. They loving the style. Send me the Addy, I'm hunting them down.
Hey guys, I am back with Modern Bottles Triple Barrel, but this time I got it in a 613. And we're just going to jump into it. 2 comes in the front, 1 in the back, and adjustable straps. The hairline looks pretty nice, and it does come with baby hairs, but I just plucked the baby hairs because there's a little bit too thick. I'm not really plucking the hairline that much, just the baby hairs just to get them to blend. Surprisingly, they're not as thick as the last one that I had, which I was very grateful for. So you just see me go ahead and pluck them all around the sides, and I go start with the part, which you already know is the pull and twirl method, and make sure you pull in small sections, you guys. Never too big, you might rip a hole in the lace. Always go small, and that's what it looked like once I plucked it out the part. And it lays pretty flat, so I just go ahead and use some edge control to put around the edges and around the parting space. And then I go ahead and use the hot comb. I just want to let you guys know that this is pre-recorded. I was doing this because I was going on a trip for my birthday, and I just wanted to make sure that the wigs were already pre-styled before I even wore them. So you're not going to see me really do it. Just basically just see how I styled it before, and then I'm going to come back and do the review. But that's what it looks like after I did everything, and it is bomb. Okay, so and then I go ahead and cut it into the 3 sections, which I don't even know why I did, because I wasn't going to be laying this anyway. But voila, that's what it is, and let's get into it. Hey guys, it's your girl Shell, aka Letzbegin, and welcome back. It is March, Pisces gang. Okay, I'm back. I had a birthday, so I took a little vacation. Before I went on my vacation, you seen that I did make sure I recorded how I customized the wig so I can just come back and give a review. So I wore this unit for the day before my birthday to come into my birthday with. Okay, first of all, I've been looking for this type of blonde for I don't know how long. Like, this is the best blonde ever, okay? Best blonde ever. If I want all my blonde units to be this type of blonde. It's better than any other blonde unit I ever had. I'm sorry. As far as color-wise, it is the best blonde I ever had. She's very pretty. I had wore her down, and then I had wore her up. I'm gonna just start with the color. She frizzes a little bit more than the silver one, and I don't know if it's because it's blonde. Maybe. Baby girl, I had to. Oh, she acted a fool. I'm gonna post some clips. I had to make sure I had my brush on me, and I think that's another reason why at nighttime I wore it half up, half down, because I didn't want to deal with that. Like, that was just woof, okay. But she is still a gorgeous unit. I love this lace. It was like, it was this color. Like, it's like a whitish color, but it's easy to blend. This is my second time relaying the wig, so I didn't go in. I didn't think to go in and put any powder. Like, I thought it would just still be on there, but right here it isn't. Let me scoot up so you can see. So you can see, like, right here to here, like, that's not where the powder is, but if you look over here, it is. I don't think I really put any powder up in here. I know I did inside. As far as outside, I only did like right here. But other than that, I like this. I really love it. I wish I'd have cut the ear tabs out, but I ain't even gonna deal with that because I knew it was gonna make it shed crazy, and I ain't got time. And for some reason, it was not humpy like the brown and silver one. Like, this came flat straight out of the box. All in all, she's worth it. I'm putting her for Slept on Saturdays because I don't see too many people reviewing about this, and this is actually making me want to get more model units because baby girl, she's fair. She's fair. They say it's 20 inches. Let me see if I can scoot my camera down. You know I'm in my robes. Yeah. She's true to length. And the lace is easy to blend. Like, y'all seen on the one that I wore previously, like, the only issue I had on that unit was the baby hairs. The baby hairs was not bad on this unit. It's a little short right here because if you see in the picture or video that I posted, I end up cutting it when I lowered it a half up and half down. I'm trying to get all y'all to the blonde side, okay? Because blonde is where it's at. I don't know why I didn't like blonde. I think because I was seeing everybody with it, and I don't like following trends for real. And then some people was looking at hot ass mess in it. I ain't even gonna hold y'all. But on me though, like, blonde is just, it compliments me so well. It even got me glowing. Look at that. Oh, it even got me glowing. Oh, honey. I keep trying to say I don't wear makeup. I have my skin like this, water, and get money. Like, let's tell y'all, like, that's what I do. I'm trusty. Like, y'all thought I was gonna say some D. I wish. Let me get out of here because I'm rambling. Why are you screaming?
Joy took my toy.
It looks nice.
Thank you.
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, you played in it. You must like it.
Yeah. I like it, your hair.
Thank you. It's perfect time to show y'all how I tame it. Ran out of the Emotions one that I really love, and I'm kind of mad because I can't find it anywhere. So I got the Lottie Body. But y'all, I can't even tell y'all how good it works because since I was on a plane, when it was in my bag, I don't know what the hell they were doing, but it wastes majority of it, and this is brand new. Like, so I don't know. I got a couple wig reviews coming up for you guys, so I guess that's how I'm gonna see, but I'm just pissed off that I wasted my money basically. This is how I tame it when it gets real frizzy. It's not really frizzy right here, but it could, y'all, she can get frizzy. She's still soft though. Like, I just don't get it. Like, she does fluff up a little bit, but not too poofy. Like, it looks like just right. I don't know. I know I still love her. She's like $35. I'm gonna make sure I leave, like, you know, down the bottom how much it cost. I need to really get off of here because she really got me feeling myself, and I want to go out now, and I got reviews to do, but I really want to go out. Somebody gonna see me, okay? Like, and I'm trying to get flued out. I have a whole lineup of video for you guys coming out. I hope you guys enjoy it. My anniversary is coming up. The 23rd will be a year. So, you know, it's a celebration. And it's March. Like, I celebrate the whole month for my birthday. So, turn up season, okay? But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm going to see you guys next time.